Let's say you ran out of gas, broke down, whatever, and you're out in the middle of nowhere. We're going to talk about that now. So let's say I'm broke down, or I'm out of gas, whatever. I'm out in the middle of nowhere. I can hunker down here, call for help on my cell phone, whatever. But I'm going to need some necessary items. This is my little readiness bag that I keep in my rig. Some people call it a go bag. I call it my mobility bag. It's here. It's necessary items to keep me going and get out of here so I can go get help to get this out if I'm stuck up here or something like that. So let's dive into it. I go with a pretty good sized bag overall. This is just a basic backpack that is expandable. The reason why I go with something this large is I want to be able to dig through my Jeep, find items that I think might help me while I'm walking out of here. So that's for the size. Two very essential items. Wet ones. These are antibacterial, good for cleaning yourself off. If you get a cut or something like that on the trail, you can disinfect with it. Flushable wipes. You don't want to mix these two up. Trust me, it's not good. So that way, you'll like this better than just regular toilet paper. And if you watch my channel, you know I love these little instant coffee tea bag style. My headlamp, love the Nebo headlamp. Magnetic. It comes off of here. It is rechargeable. And I have a recharger. Here's my solar charger. I just clip it on there. And as I'm walking, it's going to pick up some sunlight and charge up. I come with an expandable 3-way charger that I can plug into this. I can charge up my cell phone, I can charge up my lamp, I can charge up whatever I need to with this. It has 3 different plugs on it. I got a link to that below. Same with the Nebo. Just in case I need to spend the night, nice to brush your teeth. My little fire starter pack. Got another video that I did a DIY or do-it-yourself fire starter kit. Let's see. I have got matches, lighter, chapstick, my little multi-tool, fork, spoon, knife, bottle opener, the works in here, and I believe this thing comes apart. But anyway, I'm not going to do that. Take too long. That's in my main bag, or my main pouch, is the quick items I'm going to need probably more regularly. Down here, got hand warmers, toe warmers. These are really nice to have, especially when it's the summer months or spring or fall, when you're dealing with a lot of sunshine and insects. This is SPF 25 and insect repellent. They're little wipes you just wipe on your exposed skin to help protect you. Deodorant, Vaseline, fire starter. If I get a cut and it's open, I can put some of that on there. wrap it up with some tape or Band-Aid or whatnot. Playing cards, something to keep the mind busy if I have to spend the night out here somewhere. There we go, a little deeper into this. Poncho. This is 2 little instant rain ponchos. They come in handy no matter where you're at. We got a beanie, camouflage on one side, high vis on the other. All depends on the situation. If I'm trying to, let's say, avoid detection, hide out in the woods because I am worried about civil strife or whatever, having the camouflage and the warmth is good. But if I want to be found, boom. Socks and gloves in a baggie. My little stove. This thing, just awesome. My cup, got the fuel inside of it. First aid kit. In here, I also have any other medications I might need. Anything I take day to day. I've got ibuprofen in here. I've got rubbing alcohol. All the essentials are going to be in here, and keep it as small and compact as you can. I like the little tougher cases rather than something soft. I don't know why. I just prefer it to be a little more firm. Food. These Mountain House chicken and dumplings. Awesome. This is kind of a cool little emergency survival essentials. This is really inexpensive. This is by Ready America, and it's like 11 bucks. It comes with emergency drinking water. It's got like, I think 6 ounces of drinking water. It's got a light stick, a whistle, first aid kit, poncho, survival blanket, you know, the chintzy little Mylar blankets. And it even comes with a little food bar with 400 calories. And I believe there is some matches in there too. No, there isn't. But we don't care. We've already got matches. And then I keep some 550 cord. That is 100 feet of 550. Comes in handy in many, many ways. I've got my ferro rod. I also have my Sawyer water filter. This is the kind that just has the little straw in it. And I don't have it really set up right now. It's got the little clean out syringe in it. But that way I can purify water on the go and not be stuck in one place pumping on it and waiting to purify my water. I just dip it into a creek or a stream or muddy water and off I go. I always keep extra 1 gallon Ziploc bags. I've got a couple of them in here. These are handy to not only keep things dry, but also use as something to carry water in. So if I am in a more arid climate, Western Washington, where I'm at right now, I don't have to worry about water. It's everywhere. But I can carry water with me if I need to. I have an extra knife. And then, since it's winter time, I like to make sure I have this big insulated emergency blanket. This thing is a must-have because if you got to sleep on the ground, I now have my insulator between me and the ground. And then the little emergency shelter is in here. So I'm ready to go. And I've got a little emergency sleeping bag in there. And then I've got this little thing. This is a camouflage rain jacket hoodie. Got a big giant pocket in the front so I can put things in. Another thing I have in here is some extra magazines for my sidearm, just in case I'm stuck out somewhere where there are some nefarious people nearby, or I may be in an area where there's, very large predators that may want to take a piece of me. Anyway, this right here is my basic setup that I bring in my vehicle all the time. And then once again, the larger bag that zips out and I can pack out whatever I can dig out of here that I think might help me get out better. Anyway, this is a basic kit. I got links to everything below. Let me know what you think. Hope you guys like it. Get outdoors.